To wrap up overall shortcut section, I want to mention few tips there. First, you might be curious, what is the shortcut standard convention? As you see here in the font section, we have bold command, and the shortcut is Control or Command B. The first reason is it is very useful. If some commands are not so useful, usually we're not specify or the application designers won't specify any shortcuts. But on the naming, as you see, it is Control or Command with the first letter. Control or Command B, bold. Control or Command I, italic. And Control or Command U, underline. Also for alignment in paragraph section, Control or Command L for align left. Control or Command R for align right. Control or Command J for justify. But for align center, this is not Control or Command C. It is Control or Command E. Why is that? It is obvious. Control or Command C is a shortcut for copy. So they're going for the next letter, which in the center letter is second character. So it is Control or Command E. In the font section, for font setting, as you see the font setting, it is Control or Command D, which it is totally irrelevant. Why is that? Because Control or Command F, it is for find. Here, Control or Command F. The next one, Control or Command O, of course it is for opening the document. Control or Command N for new document. And Control or Command T, it is for indenting. So they picked another free shortcut available. To customize shortcut also, you could go to the file, options, or right click and customize. On the ribbon, as I mentioned before, right click, customize ribbon. On the customize ribbon, we have in the below list of commands, keyboard shortcuts. If I click on the customize button, let's say edit link. If I click on that, here we have press new shortcut key and current keys. As you see, there is no current shortcut keys for here. I could select here and let's say Control or Command S. Here it is giving information currently assigned to file save. So it is better to not assign. And note that I could press another shortcut too. Let's say Control or Command H. You see, it is written Control or Command S, H, which it is Control S and Control H, both for this command. Allow me to close it and bring the customize again. Edit link. I could add different shortcut, Control or Command D, Shift Control D. You see? And I could assign it. But if you assign by mistake something like that, you could select on reset all or select it and remove. I prefer to reset them all, yes, to set default and make sure it has been reset. Control Command D. Yes, it is for format font. You could even save the changes in normal.dotm document template for Microsoft Word Startup, which it is the main file is reading documents here, or you could make only save changes in this current document, which it is only local changes for this document, which I prefer to not use. Also for customize ribbon with it before, you could click simply on the reset all customization. Are you sure? Yes, and okay.